Hi, welcome back, guys. Are you tired of doing the PowerPoint presentation and wants to create a colorful and dynamic one in as fast and in easy way? Well, this video is good for you because today I am going to teach you on how to create PowerPoint presentation using Canva. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome application on your mobile phone and then click or search for canva.com. Okay, once you search it, you are directed now to the home page. Now, since you are going to create a PowerPoint presentation, just look for presentation here at the upper part of the screen. There are a lot of icons here. So just click presentation, and as you can see, guys, there are a lot of choices for you to use in making your PowerPoint presentation. Now, I'll just going to select this token presentation, click see all to see another design for presentation. So, just select the design that you want to use. Okay, like this one. Oh, I'm going to use this presentation. Okay, so just click that one, and then as you can see, there are already pictures design prepared for you. So all you have to do, guys, is just to edit the word here, just encode your data here. All right, so once you are done in editing or in encoding your data in your presentation, just download your presentation. So at the upper part of the screen, as you can see, there is an arrow here. Just click it, and then after this, look for Microsoft Excel here, Microsoft PowerPoint, should I say. Okay, PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's look for it. All right, so this one. Click this so that your presentation will be downloaded as a PowerPoint. After that one, just click this word download, and it will start downloading. So, there you go. This is how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Canva. So if you want to know on how to create PowerPoint presentation using Canva, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to create PowerPoint presentation using Canva, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe. Bye!